Hello beautiful people, guess what I'm making here today in Juliet's kitchen? Yasmin here. These amazing beautiful prime rib steak. I'm actually going to be seasoning them with the marinade I made earlier. And additionally, I'm using some sea salt. You want to season generously with the salt on both sides. Okay, so the marinade, this was about 3 cups of marinade, so I'm going to reserve some of it to use as a dipping sauce. I'm using a sheet pan. You can put it in a Ziploc bag, and you really want steaks that are about at least 1 1/4 inch thick to 2 inches or 1 1/2 inches probably. You know, it just cooks better. And I'm going to let this sit in this marinade for at least an hour. You could have it sit up to overnight, which is fine. The longer, the more intense the flavor, but this works very well for an hour. That's it. I'm going to sit this in the refrigerator covered with plastic wrap until it's ready for the grill. Okay, beautiful people, the steaks are ready to be grilled. I have them here. I've actually taken them out of the refrigerator about 30 minutes ago. You want to try to get it to room temperature. 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and you're good. I'm preheating my grill, so it's at about 550 degrees. So I'm going to get the steaks onto the grill now. You want to start with a very nice and clean grill. So I have a handy dandy timer here. I set it for 10 minutes. Depending on the thickness of your steaks, that's how you're going to determine how long to cook it, as well as whether you want it medium, medium rare, rare. I personally like to eat my steaks medium to medium well. My son likes it medium well to fully cooked. So I try to get one, at least one that's more cooked than others. It's ribeye steak, so it will be tender anyways. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick look. Wow. Nice. I'm going to flip these. See how easily these flip around, because you don't want to remove them or turn them until it stops sticking to the grill. Okay, something is happening in this grill here, so let's take a look. This one's ready. I'll give these another couple of minutes. Whoa. Yep. Put that. Okay guys, these are all ready. I've cooked them, some pieces I've cooked for 10 minutes because one piece was really a little bit thinner, the first piece I took out. The rest of it I cooked for about 12 minutes, so I'm going to let these sit for about maybe 8 to 10 minutes before cutting. If you're slicing it or if you're serving it whole, you could just serve it as is. These look really absolutely juicy. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial of how Yasmin makes a super moist, juicy and tender prime ribeye steak seasoned with a marinade of olives and herbs. Your thumbs up to this video is very much appreciated, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead and click on the icon my left, your right. To get the details to this recipe, mouse on over to my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking!